Are you tired? I can completely relate. Okay, but as a busy working mom, I need to get my sleep. How can I do this? So, some of the ways that I found a better night's sleep is actually by increasing my magnesium. Now, you can do it either by taking a supplement once a day. You can improve your diet by having spinach, kale, brown rice, avocado, black beans, things like that. You can reduce your salt intake, alcohol, coffee, and soda. Okay. Or an alternative to getting magnesium into your body can be through like a salt bath, a lotion, or spray that you put on your body in different ways. So that's what this video is going to be about. Do you often wonder what form of magnesium you should take in order to help you sleep? Okay, so there's a bunch of different options. You can go the Epsom salt bath, magnesium flakes, which can soak into your body through your whole body through the skin. Okay, so that really improves your chances of getting a better night's sleep. Okay, there's other options such as lotion or the spray. Now, one of the faux pas that you see about magnesium on social media is that you should spray the bottom of your feet with the magnesium, but that is actually not true because the absorption of the spray through all the different layers of skin cells on your feet actually prevent the magnesium from getting into your circulation. So some of the better options include massaging the lotion into more superficial skin, such as like your hands, your neck, shoulders, actually into your calves, which is a great alternative versus the bottom of your feet. All right, let me know how you sleep.